Greetings, this is Kevin Jefferson, father of the Forex fam and followmytrades.com, here with Trade Theory for Friday, July 1st, 2022. The time is 11:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to look at the indices. So this is the Dow Jones Industrial Index, and in the previous video, price was up in this area, and I mentioned that I was looking for price to fall back to, at a start, 31,183.8. And then secondly, 30,793.6, which is done. It's actually going below there starting today. So we're at a pullback off of this move long, this level one long here. On the S&P, I'll do all the dailies and I'll come back. On the S&P, the same is true. Price was up here when I did the last video, and I mentioned 38.71.95 and 38.24.39 being target pullback points, and it's gone deeper than that. So we're going to watch this and see what happens, and then we're going to go to the next chart, the NASDAQ, and on the daily, the same thing. The daily, the same thing occurs. Pull back off this level one long, and I had 11,979.68 and 11,768.90 as target points, and it blew through those, and it's continued to go lower. So when I go down to the lower time frames, I'm going to switch back over to the Dow Jones. Going to the 4-hour, prices pull back off of this high, and it's shown itself actually in a downtrend, so it's what I call a level 2 short. But just looking at the structure of this, I could see price potentially reversing, closing back up in around the 31,183.8 area again, and then maybe moving along and pushing up into the 32,539.40 area, which will begin possible consolidation up into this zone. So you know, if you're talking about likelihood of probabilities, I think that it looks like there's a higher probability for the market to move higher in the coming weeks and days than it does going longer. And obviously we don't know that, we won't know that. And this really is a place where it's very difficult. There's nothing here that gives an indication of either way. And normally what I would say is, when you have no indications, just continue with, actually don't do anything, continue moving. So, in one time frame, price is moving long, and another time frame, price is moving short. But I have to look at the context of the bigger picture and where price moved to, and the weekly and the monthly are showing extreme pullbacks. And the only thing I could see maybe is that price would move back down to the 29,666 area one more time. But just as I see it, and as the way things are setting up, it looks like price wants to go higher, and I'm seeing the 32,539.40 before consolidation up in that range, and then the market, making another decision. So the S&P, same thing, going to the 4-hour chart, and I see a possible move and close above right around the 38.24.39 area, and then price possibly moving higher to 40.82.20, and then consolidating and deciding what it wants to do next there. And then on the NASDAQ, a similar occurrence, looking at price maybe closing around 11,693.07 to 11,768, and then possibly moving up into the 12,869.56 area, where you would expect some consolidation and market to start moving sideways and deciding what it wants to do next. So I see a potential for the market actually to continue higher in the coming weeks, in the coming days, but we will watch. There's no clear indication right now, so I'm not advocating. I'm definitely not taking a position, and so I'm not advocating in a direction, but it looks like there's a good case for at least a bullish move in the coming days, but we will see. So to learn how to build cash flow for yourself, or to have it done for you through our DIY and DFI programs, go to fmtrades.com, where we work with business owners and entrepreneurs and highly compensated professionals, showing them how to scale their cash flow significantly year over year without adding employees, overhead, or doing more work themselves. Find us at fmtrades.com, and until next time, enjoy the day and happy trading.